So this is how
You
you
make
make
raw food easy.
So here I am at the Canada Fruit Festival, and what am I having for lunch? I am having 2 amazing romaine lettuce leaves. They are such beautiful green leaves with a sauce that's only 1 mango, the flesh of 1 mango, with 2 tablespoons of tahini and some sliced mushroom. It's so yummy. I'm going to just fold it up and eat it just as is. This is like a 2-minute dish. Nobody can tell me that raw food meals aren't easy. And
Or
my
that they don't
friend,
give you protein.
or that they don't give you protein. Take a look
Yeah.
at this.
Athletes, CrossFit, MMA, and hockey.
Totally. And this is Christina. Christina, what are you
pickle.
eating?
Oh my god,
goodness.
I'm eating a peach.
These amazing organic local peaches right from British Columbia. Fantastic. Whole box of them. Loads of them here. Everything organic. Organic plums, peaches, nectarines. So awesome. And here is Christina's fruit bowl. She's having fruit for lunch. And she's having bananas and peaches, romaine lettuce, and a few dates. I think those are barhi dates.
And the Mazafati ones too.
Yum.